What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a way to make real things from a computer, just like magic. Imagine you draw a toy car on your computer. A 3D printer can print that toy car so you can hold and play with it. How does it work? It's like building with Lego blocks, but the printer does it for you. Design. First, we draw or design something on the computer. Print. The 3D printer starts printing the shape layer by layer from the bottom to the top. Finish. When it's done, we get a real 3D object like a toy, keychain, or model. Fun example. Think of a cake with many layers. A 3D printer builds things the same way, one layer at a time, using plastic instead of cake. What can it make? 3D printers can make many cool things. Toys, keychains, small houses, yes, even houses, car parts, even fake teeth for the dentist. Why is it special? You can make your own ideas real. It's fun and creative. It's used by engineers, doctors, artists, and even kids.